Thank you for liking, share, and subscribing. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some other news. Let's look at Apple. So Apple helps Taiwan exports unexpectedly rise in August due to iPhone launch. Apple helped Taiwan's export orders rise in August unexpectedly as the tech giant unveiled several new products this month, including its iPhone 14 lineup, Reuters reported, citing data from the country's Ministry of Economic Affairs. Taiwan's export rose 2% year-over-year in August to 54.59 billion, compared to an expected decline of 2% year-over-year. In July, exports from the island nation fell 1.9% year-over-year. Breaking the report down, Taiwan's orders from China fell 25.5% year-over-year, compared to a decline of 22.6% year-over-year in July, as the world's second biggest economy continues to grapple with outbreaks of COVID and related lockdowns. By the way, okay, there you go. Orders from US rose 7.5% year-over-year, from a 6.9% rise in July, while Europe export orders rose 14.6% in August compared to a decline of 5.1% in July. Orders from Japan rose 2.2% in August, Reuters added. The launch of Apple's new devices as well as other consumer electronics spurred a 15.4% rise in orders for electronic products as companies such as Taiwan Semiconductor, which makes chips for Apple, continue to see strong demand for semiconductors. Taiwan Semiconductor, which has been in the spotlight due to the geopolitical tensions between the US and China, is the world's largest chip manufacturer and produces chips for other companies such as NVIDIA, AMD, Qualcomm. Cupertino, California-based Apple is slated to raise app prices in Europe and Asia next month, as currencies around the world have weakened in the face of a rising US dollar amid rising inflation and economic uncertainty. And with that said, let's take a look at AAPL, which yesterday created a support, a bullish engulfing candle, by the way, to $154. Pre-market, we are at 153. I tell you guys, the gaps usually get to be closed. Yesterday, it was pretty low. Yesterday, we started the price at 150s. Went as low as 148, and then boom, 154. Crazy, huh? So definitely want to watch out for Apple, guys. Because if we get to break this trend line, we should be good to go to the upside. Definitely want to keep an eye on it. I like Apple. It's been pretty consistent, even though the macro hasn't been good. I'm expecting Apple to at least range until we get a little bit of a sense of direction by tomorrow from the Fed. Let me know what you guys think.